Let's take a closer look at this DEWALT circular saw. This unit is a 6.5-inch blade. It comes with a bag. It has high strength, lightweight magnesium shoe, and it also has an over molded rubber comfort grip. You're able to do 0 to 50 degree bevel capacity, and most importantly, the blade, a 6.5-inch blade, is carbide tipped and lasts at least 2 times longer, and you can do 90 and 45 degree cuts. As you know, it is a 20-volt system, comes with a 5-amp-hour battery, and it comes with this amazing bag. Let's look at the bag that comes with this unit for storage and transportation. It easily fits the saw, battery, charger, and I also include extra battery plus extra blades. I highly recommend this unit. This circular saw with the charger, battery, and bag included is one of the best tools in my cordless tool kit. I can get anywhere with this without having to deal with cords running all over the workplace. You will enjoy this. It is my favorite.